Okay, this is the nose gear strut. It's got an aerodynamic cross section. It's not an arbitrary shape. There are quarter turn fasteners here that make installing and removing this part a lot easier. The stock part has a piano hinge, and it's a real son of a gun to take it off. This intersection has been improved, and it's blended into the body shape right here. This is the big door to get to your air valve on the tire. It's really nice. Plenty of room. Even a guy like me can get my hand in there.
How much installation time do you think it takes?
On the nose gear, it's probably 40 minutes, 30, 40 minutes. Very, very easy. Okay, and then paint. And again, you've got the one big door right here. This is actually an aerodynamic cross section, this main gear leg. This is all one piece. This whole deal. Right here where it's in the stock airplane, there's a pant and a separate fairing and then a mushroom fairing. This is the mushroom fairing. That's part of our kit. We had to do that because the stock fairing would not accept the new shape here. Right here, we've got the NACA scoop. And this is what cools the brakes. And for the people that don't know, Cirrus had such a problem with brakes that what they did is they drilled a big hole in the pant right here, and that covers the center of the piston in the caliper that moves the brakes. And there's a heat-sensitive decal on there, and you're supposed to look in the hole and make sure it's blue before you fly the airplane. And if it isn't blue, you're not supposed to fly.
On the inboard side of the pant underneath the wing. Okay.
Yeah, it's real convenient. and then this is.
Thank you.
This door comes off. It's held on with quarter turn fasteners. And then on the very back of this thing, this is where the cooling air comes out, back here, to the brake. And the reason we did that is, you know, on the front wheels on your car, you'll see that kind of grayish color from the brake material. With this, it won't come out anywhere else on the pant. That was his idea.
Now, does this have the same features the other pants that we have, that if the tire goes flat, your pant will be protected because it's above?
Yep. Yep. And the tail will hit the ground before the wheel pant will.
Is there a special kind of string you have to use for the...
Yeah, this is anti-drag.